Okay, we're having as a reference the Orthodox Church, no? This is the Eastern Orthodox Church, di ba, na split yung Catholicism into West at saka East. Ito yung Eastern, no? Orthodox Church. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is the yung simbahan nila here in Serbia. Let's go back here. Ikot lang tayo. Going sa center nila here. Very center of kanina nagbumili kami sa ano to, sa stall. They don't accept euro here, so try to go here. Close tayo, no? With green na kasi, so pasok tayo dito, then we'll just turn left sa parliament building nila. Oh, it's red already. Okay, that's their parliament, no, building. So right at the center of yung Belgrade. So this is their parang parliament building. At least also rush hour, Friday na rin, no? You have people going out of their work. It's almost 5 o'clock here, and they have their old structure. Ano kaya itong building na to? I don't know if this is a government building, no? This one. Okay. That is what they call yung Cyrillic language. Cyrillic. So if it is Cyrillic, that's influence ng Eastern Orthodox Church. Ikot tayo dito here. This direction. So we're at the center of gitna ng Belgrade. Tingnan natin sa loob dyan, no? Go dun sa center nila. This is the very modern, no? This is their parliament building. And then the buildings there. Security nila here. So meron din kasing halo na parang mythology, no, here. Yung mga unang rulers nila, they were descendants of Jupiter. So very strong yung influence, no, ng mga Romans, because this area was conquered by Romans. Ikot tayo dito. I think this is their public plaza. This one. Okay.